In this question, you have to identify which cells of the crypts of liver cocoon secrete antibacterial lysozyme. Option A, Paneth cells. Now these cells are found in the crypts of liver cocoon in the small intestine, and these cells secrete lysozyme, which acts as antibacterial agent. Hence, it is the correct option. Option B, zymogen cells. It is incorrect because these cells does not secrete lysozyme. These cells are found in the stomach and they secrete digestive enzymes like pepsidogen. Option C, Kupffer cells. Now, these are macrophages that is located in the liver, and they are responsible for phagocytosis of pathogens, but they do not secrete lysozyme. Hence, it is incorrect. Option D, Argent FM cells. Now, this is also incorrect because these cells, which are definitely present in the crypts of liver cocoon, but they secrete hormones like serotonin and other regulatory peptides, but not lysozyme.